Hey everyone, I'm doing another Jessy Mendiola look and I'm just starting off by priming my skin, making sure that my skin is prepped up for this makeup look. Then I'm applying an orange corrector so that I can hide away the dark circles under my eyes. And then I'm going ahead with a lavender color corrector to make my face seem brighter and more radiant because Jessy's face is very radiant and glowing. Then I'm applying this Kill Cover Cushion Foundation and I want to say that it's really killing it in terms of coverage. As you can see, I look so flawless in this makeup. And then I'm using this liquid blush by Vice Cosmetics and I'm just making sure that it's even and well spread. It's a peachy mauve color and then I'm setting everything with a translucent powder. I'm applying this blush from NARS called Orgasm. I'm using it as an eyeshadow and I'm tapering it off together with a blush so that it would match the color. And then I'm just shaping my eyebrows like the shape of Miss Jessy. And let's not forget to contour my nose as well as the tip because the tip of Jessy's nose is a lot slimmer than mine. I'm using a peachy color to finish this look. And yep, there you have it. Hope you like it.